like me, shaking with anxiety, thoughts running all over the place. Your head's a beehive, but not one of those diligent bees knows what's their life goal, their alone space. Shit's still gonna happen. You're still gonna make mistakes. Life's not perfect, nor are you. Feeling scared is okay too. So I've got some words for you that I think you'll listen to. One living their life in overdrive. We don't need honeyed advice from those who cannot empathize. The blessed ones without a beehive. Shit's still gonna happen. You're still gonna make mistakes. Life's not perfect, nor are you. Feeling scared is okay too. If you're not willing to take chances, can you truly say you've lived? It means at least you're doing something, and you still have shits to give. And you still have shits to give.